Good morning, this is Naisha Gaskin. Today is February 9th, 2019. This is week 5, experiment lab video, exercise 1, carbohydrate fermentation testing. I disinfected my area. I labeled my pheno tubes, 2 of each, one of the S. cerevisiae and the other one, the S. epididymis. And there's 2 of each. 2 for glucose, 2 for fructose, and 2 for mannitol. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the experiment. I am going to remove the lid. So I'm starting with my S. epididymis. I'm going to remove the lid, pass the lip through the flame to sterilize it. And this one is the glucose. So I'm going to take my glucose powder, which I found very challenging because it was hard to get half into each one. And I'm going to pour half of this into my test tube. I got to pass the lip through, sterilizing before I put the top back on. Shake, shake, shake until the powder is dissolved. Alrighty. Now I'm going to take my Durham tube and insert it. I soaked these in alcohol, made sure they were dry. And I'm going to insert it upside down. I have to make sure I can get all the air out. And this was another challenging part. So I found a way, I just set it upside down and then let the air come out. Give it a couple of minutes, let the air come out. And then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. That was less than a minute, but so now I have my E. coli culture. I'm going to run it through the flame. I have my pipette. I'm going to pipette out 4 drops. I'm just going to flame it again, just to be on the safe side. I'm going to add my 4 drops. Flame it before I put the top back on. And I will be back in 12 hours to tell you my results. Okay, so it's been 12 hours and I'm back with my carbohydrate fermentation results. And as you can see, some of my tubes did ferment and some of them did not. And I kind of know why some of them did not. One, because it was kind of challenging for me. When it was time to pour the powder inside, it said pour half into each vial, but that was kind of hard for me. So I wound up pouring more than half into a vial. And then in one of them, I poured the whole thing of powder into the vial. So I didn't have any for my S. epididymis tubes. So these are my S. cerevisiae. And then the ones on the back, I don't know why I can't get these to stand up straight. And these are my S. epididymis in the back. Thank you for watching. That will conclude my video for today.